Hi y'all, today I'm gonna do unboxing. So this I've received a few days back. I feel like all of these boxes, like I know I always say that, but I'm always late. Recently, okay, so I don't know which brand sent me this, but I think it's Nordhive because of the way the packaging is. But I don't know because it doesn't have any name or anything, so I'm just gonna open it up. Skincare, another skincare, gosh. So yes, it kind of looks like Nordhive. I think this is a beauty platform or skincare platform, is where, you know, or any type of platform you want, is for content creators to collab with brands, so they give you stuff and all of those things, you know. It's free, so if y'all are interested, you can join. I'll put everything in the description box. So I've only received one package from them, and it was skincare as well. The skincare was nice. The mask, I love their mask a lot. And what else? Some like serum or thingy. It was good. So okay, so I received again 3 facial masks, but this is a blemish care serum mask. So it comes like this. And I think this is Korean skincare. This brand looks Korean. Yeah, it's made in Korea. And this is from the brand Yasin. So I've never tried this brand before. I love facial masks. So, and I do get acne. Like, that's an acne scar that's been, what, since October of last year? I don't know, it's been months and it still hasn't healed. It left me a scar and like some scarring in the cheeks right here next. So this helps prevent any more blemishes and freckles. So if you have freckles, this is good for that, to reduce it. I don't think that's humanly possible. I think freckles is not very easy to remove. I feel like if you have it, you have it, right? I don't know, that's weird. I don't know, I've never heard of that before. But if you have freckles, then you might like this. If you want to remove it. If not, then probably not, because if I had freckles, I wouldn't want to remove them because that's part of me kind of deal. So I don't know, it's interesting. So, and it's vegan. So all right, so far I like it. So it's a skin brightening care. It looks like it's orange or citrusy flavor, scented. I don't know. Supposedly it makes you have a clear, dewy skin. We'll see. So you just put it on for 10 to 20 minutes and you take it off, and that's basically it. It's like a simple sheet mask. So they sent me 3. Like I said, I have the traditional one, like vitamin C one. No, I forgot, but it's good. So I think I'm gonna like it. So the next thing they sent me is this. So it's like K-Bell, I don't know how to say the brand, Derma Clear Solution Control Sebum on oily skin, which I don't have. I think this brand, I didn't pick anything. They just sent me whatever they want me to, whatever they wanted. That, oh my gosh. They just sent me whatever they wanted. So basically, I don't know what these things are. I didn't choose. So yeah, because I don't have oily skin. So this is definitely not for me, I don't think. So it says it has AHA, BHA, all of those ingredients. So I don't know if I'm gonna use it. I probably won't, because I don't have oily skin, and I probably give it away because it would be a waste for me to use it. But I am gonna unbox it and still to create content, but I don't think I'm gonna use it. Let me open it to show you how it looks inside. Okay, so it looks like a bottle. Ooh, I love the packaging. It's very sleek and white. It's plain, but let's see. So I don't know if it's clear solution. I don't know what that is. If it's like a lotion, but it looks like this. So it smells kind of strong. It kind of feels liquidy. Oh, it's liquid. It's not cream. So I've never heard of this product before, but I don't need it. I don't think so. yeah, thank you though. Very interesting. Ooh. Okay, and the last thing is this. Okay, the mask that I like is from this brand, so I probably like this product. Yeah, it says Vita C Serum, which I love vitamin C serum. I use the Naturally Seriously Skin one, and I think it helped my skin reduce those red spotting, but I don't know if it's that or something else. But I haven't used it because I'm testing out other skincare, so, but that one I like. I'm always almost running out of that one, so I need another vitamin C. So this helps reduce blemishes and develops even skin tone. So I think I'm gonna love this one. So this is highly concentrated vitamin serum. So this brightens your skin complexion. It protects the skin from external stimuli, which I don't know, I guess like from like outside pollutants. I don't freaking know, girl, but supposedly you just wipe this and this with you wipe this in your skin with a toner or on a cotton pad. Apply 5 drops to be well absorbed. If necessary, apply cream and moisturizer. So again, this looks very good. Wow, so I think I'm gonna like this one. So if you like vitamin C, you probably will too. So the bottle looks like this. It looks pretty sleek and nice. So I'm excited to try this one. I don't think I'm gonna try it soon because I haven't tried some skincare that I recently received. So yeah, but I am gonna need this one for sure. These and the sheet mask. This and the sheet mask. Wow, so far I like 2 of these products. So this is pretty much it for the unboxing because I'm not gonna do a try on in this video. So yay. Thank you Nordhive for sending me these skincare products. So I'm excited to try these too. So not this one. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching.